What up, y'all? It's your boy. Y'all hadn't subscribed, man. Click that subscribe button. Check your boys out, man. I just want to know, when will people learn, not just celebrities, everybody, man. When you take these nude pics or these racy photos on these cell phone cameras, or your friend or somebody take these pictures, man, you got to be very protective of these pictures because they could end up anywhere, man. They could end up in the wrong hands. They could end up on the internet. They could end up on some of these crazy websites. They could end up anywhere, man. Especially if you're a celebrity with a recognizable face, man. People just looking for pictures and stuff like this, man. I want to know what y'all think about these Demi Lovato pictures, man. I mean, it seems like this happens all the time, especially with celebrities, man. Just over and over and over and over the same thing. Seem like they should know better, man. But I mean, this goes for everybody, man. You got to be careful with them kind of pictures, because they could end up anywhere, man. But tell me what you think about this. Leave your thoughts and comments in the comment section below, man. It's crazy, man. Don't take no crazy pictures. They won't show up nowhere, man. It's your boy. I'm out. Deuces.